We want to talk about a new channel in marketing, which is called RCS. As all of you know, that traditional SMS and MMS have been limited in functionality and lack sophisticated features marketers need today. What I mean by that is that while a lot of channels have become more and more interactive over time, SMS and MMS have probably not moved the needle in the last few decades, I would say. And what that means is that marketer needs the basic needs like high deliverability, basic text content, branded link tracking, that is being fulfilled. But if you go further down and say, hey, can I send out a rich media? MMS support only images or maybe contact cards, but not anything beyond that. Can you do a beautiful carousel of your indulging products with a MMS? Probably no, right? The measurement and analytics is also limited. You can just probably understand at best the delivery, and then from there you can directly go to clicks. There is no concept of impression or read in the middle. A lot of times SMS ends up becoming unbranded and insecure for a lot of geographies where there are not enough provisioning of some of these short codes from a central authority. And what also happens is that over time, if the regulations are a little bit loose, they also lead to become the spam channels. And with RCS, with Google RCS for Business, I think all that is going to change. There is a lot more focus on secure and verified branding. There are multiple templates which allow you to create rich interactive messages. A lot of these messages work directly with the Android ecosystem, like the Maps or the Pay or the other apps, and thereby allow you to create experiences which can be seamlessly transitioned to some of these apps. They definitely at this point of time offer a better read and the response rate. And the best part as a performance marketer that anyone would like is that it allows you to understand the matrix a lot better. It allows you to understand what is the read rate, how many clicks are happening, and what kind of actions are being taken on that message. There are multiple templates that are offered with RCS, like the rich cards or document sharing, or even the suggested action and replies. And that comes with the multiple business metrics and increases visibility into some of your performance metrics, like how many people have actually read the message and how many people have actually acted on the message. And that largely helps you to understand your ROI better. It also helps you understand the influence purchases or influence conversions better and allow you to optimize a lot more better in terms of that, hey, if your messages are probably going unread, then in that case, you can reduce that ad spend on that specific channel instead of believing that, hey, probably just because they were delivered, they were probably read and might have influenced. Google RCS is being used by brands across the world, and the claims are that it improves the messaging efficiency by a lot. It improves the read rate, the engagement rates, and as well as the underlying downstream ROI with the channel. And that's why we are really excited to bring Google RCS to MoEngage. What that means is that we are offering all the RCS templates directly inside the MoEngage platform. What that also means is that RCS being available as a channel, you can also leverage the existing personalization and orchestration capabilities of the MoEngage platform along with the intelligence and the segmentation. You can also mix and match RCS with all the other channels to create a really omni-channel experience so that you're not just kind of going through a single channel and creating a right mix based on your customer needs. One question I have heard more often recently is that, hey, RCS is good, it's interactive, but what about the reach? A lot of brands, a lot of telcos have probably have not started supporting the RCS messaging. A lot of CPaaS probably have not started. A lot of devices have not started supporting the RCS messages. And for that, we have a solution built in from day one, which is called RCS with SMS fallback. What that means is from the platform itself, by design, you send out a RCS message along with a fallback message, and system will intelligently know that if the end user device does not support RCS message, it will deliver a SMS message as a fallback, thereby not creating any compromises for you to use this channel and ensuring that your channel is having or your campaign is having a higher reach as well as a higher deliverability, all possible with RCS with SMS fallback.